How to start an LLC for an Amazon dropshipping business. The formation process for LLCs varies depending on which state you're forming one in, but in general, the process has some universal steps that need to be taken no matter what state your business is located in. The basic steps in the LLC formation process in any state are as follows. 1. Choose an LLC name. Coming up with the perfect name for your new LLC is an important step. You'll need to choose a name that represents your company and describes what you do, and you'll also have to make sure it isn't already in use by checking your state's business database. 2. Designate a registered agent. Your LLC's registered agent, which can be an individual or a professional service, is responsible for receiving important document deliveries from the state, like service of process, annual report reminders, etc., and forwarding them to you. The registered agent ensures that the state always has a reliable point of contact for your business. 3. File your formation documents with the state. The form used to create an LLC is usually called the Articles of Organization, although the name can vary. Some states call it the Certificate of Formation or something similar. You'll need to provide the state with some basic information about your business and its owners. In exchange, the state will formally create your LLC. 4. Acquire an EIN. The Employer Identification Number (EIN) is a federal tax ID number that essentially functions as a social security number for a business. The EIN allows your business to hire employees, pay taxes, apply for bank loans, and more. You can easily obtain an EIN from the Internal Revenue Service free of charge. 5. Create an LLC operating agreement. Most states don't require operating agreements, but every LLC should have one regardless. This is an internal document that outlines several key operational aspects of your LLC. The value of the operating agreement is how it can help prevent ownership disputes down the line by clearly explaining how the LLC will be run. 6. Create a financial infrastructure. You will need a business bank account for your LLC, and you'll probably want a business credit card for work-related expenses as well. It's also a good idea to use accounting software like Zen Business Money or QuickBooks, or even hire an accountant to handle your bookkeeping for you. 7. Handle taxes, licenses, and permits. Depending on your state, you may need a general business license to operate your LLC in compliance with state requirements. For an Amazon dropshipper, whether you need any additional licenses or permits largely depends on the types of products you sell. You might not need any industry-specific licenses, but if you sell goods that are regulated by the government, you may require licensure. Don't forget to check with your state to see if there are franchise or privilege taxes assessed on LLCs, and also see if your municipal and/or county government entities have any further licensing requirements. Understand maintenance requirements, annual reports, franchise taxes, etc. Again, these requirements can vary by state, but most states require some sort of regular report to ensure that your LLC's info is up to date in the state's business database. Some states require reports each year, while others only require them biannually or not at all. No matter what your state requires, you'll need to stay on top of it to keep your LLC in good standing. Additional resources for starting an Amazon dropshipping business. 1. Shopify's Ultimate Guide to Dropshipping. Few businesses know more about online retailing than Shopify, and their Ultimate Guide to Dropshipping lives up to its name. Their guide is split up into 8 chapters ranging from advice about supply chains and wholesalers to maximizing profit and evaluating sales channels. If you're starting a dropshipping business, give this guide a long look. 2. AMZ Finder. AMZ Finder's Amazon-specific dropshipping guide includes a wealth of information from starting your business to finding the right suppliers. In addition to information about Amazon dropshipping in the United States, AMZ Finder also includes information for sellers in the United Kingdom. 3. Jungle Scout. Jungle Scout also has an impressively thorough guide to dropshipping on Amazon. They have specific sections on different aspects of dropshipping, including print-on-demand dropshipping, how to find products with low competition and high demand, and more. 4. SaleWho. SaleWho's Amazon Dropshipping Guide focuses on the benefits of offering free shipping through Amazon Prime for your dropshipped products. Taking advantage of Amazon Prime's capabilities for your dropshipping business isn't as cut and dried as it might seem, so reading through SaleWho's advice is highly recommended if you're thinking about becoming a Prime seller. 5. Crazy Lister's Dropshipping Secrets. This blog post goes into a tremendous amount of detail regarding one dropshipper's journey from making his first sale to crossing the $4.5 million sales threshold. We recommend reading through this post to get an idea of how you can successfully grow your own Amazon dropshipping business from a small individual effort to a large worldwide sales operation. Why starting an LLC for an Amazon dropshipping business is important. Personal asset protection. The top reason to form an LLC for an Amazon dropshipping business is to gain access to the personal asset protection provided by this business structure. Whether you sell a large volume of products on Amazon or you're just doing it as a part-time side gig, you need the limited liability protections that an LLC can provide. Taxation. This is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the advantages of the LLC for a dropshipping business. Another important aspect is taxation. The LLC actually provides its owners with a selection of options regarding how they want the business to be taxed, which can save you a considerable amount of money compared to simply operating as an informal business entity. Sole proprietorship/general partnership. Your dropshipping LLC can be taxed as a sole proprietorship for single-member LLCs or general partnership for multi-member LLCs, which is the default option. With this tax structure, your Amazon selling business itself does not pay taxes, but rather the profits are passed through the business entity and your owners pay taxes on that money when they file their own personal taxes. C Corporation. You can also choose for your Amazon dropshipping business to be taxed as a C Corporation, although this option isn't very popular because it subjects your business to what's known as double taxation, meaning that your profits are taxed first on the corporate level and again on the personal level when they're distributed to your owners. S Corporation. S-Corp taxation can help your Amazon dropshipping business save money by reducing your self-employment tax burden. Instead of paying self-employment taxes, a 15.3% tax that includes the employer and employee portions of Medicare and Social Security, on all of your business income, you can pay yourself and your co-owners a reasonable salary for your roles and only pay self-employment tax on that portion of your income, while you can reinvest the rest of it into your business without paying this tax. Are you ready to finally take the leap and launch the business you've been dreaming about? You're getting ready to form your own limited liability company or LLC. But wait, where do you start? Zen Business can easily guide you through the 5 legal steps of starting your LLC. Step 1. Select a great name for your LLC, one that no other business uses. Step 2. You must choose a registered agent to receive state correspondence and legal notices for you in person. Step 3. File your articles of organization. Once paperwork is approved and fees are collected, your LLC is official. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. This establishes the important rules for operating your company. And finally, Step 5. Apply for an employer identification number to open a bank account or hire employees. You may also need to review tax requirements. Feeling a little overwhelmed? Don't worry. Click the link in the description to let Zen Business quickly and easily form your LLC.